Hello everyone, we are here to present our demo for DemoJam 2013 application, that is NewsPod powered by SAP HANA. Here we have tried to figure out the biggest bottleneck that the various news websites are facing, where allowing the customers to make use of one place for different kinds of news like business, sports, entertainment has been the biggest challenge. So we have tried to facilitate our end user where he'll be able to get all the news from spanning different fields on one portal from the different sources. So let's shift on to our application. So this is how our application looks like, where we are able to get a list of the recent news that has occurred in across the globe. So for example, I just don't want to go for the recent news, but I want to do search for a given particular subject. So what I can do is I can make use of the voice recognition system and I can search for it. So let's search for Andy, our new managing director. So let's go and search for it. Andy. So good. It recognized my voice and it has given me good results. So the moment it recognizes, it does the search for a given particular word, and here you go. Here you find the news which is being fetched from CXO today. Anirban Dey has become the managing director of SAP Labs India. So yes, this is not only with respect to what results we were searching for, but yes, it shows wherever Andy has occurred in our database. So, but the search has become very much easy, making use of our voice recognition system and HANA database. Okay, now moving on to the other widgets that we have provided in our application that includes trending now and top stories, where these are getting the real-time information from different sources, pushing into HANA and showing again on my new spot. So now you can see it is always real-time synchronizing with my database. So for example, trending now is when people are searching more about these particular topics. So people are trying to search more about Kai Poche, Kareena Kapoor, or Oscar ceremony. Same way for top stories, we are getting the recent stories for the day. Now, moving on to the other aspect of our application, where let's say for an example, a person would not like to read all of the news, or he would not be interested in searching for a one particular subject, but he would like to apply a filter. For example, I want to see the news for 25th February. There now you can see we are not only storing the structured data but as well as the unstructured data in our HANA database. Now let's say for example you want to see for 25th February what is the national news that has occurred. So it's as simple as that. You can provide the filters quickly from the widgets that are provided on the side of our application. Okay, now let's look on another aspect of the news part where people do keep on asking me, people, apart from this real-time information, what makes your news pod different than the other news portals available on internet? So to check the comparison, I took a sample website on internet, which is the Hindu. So I tried to search one particular topic like Hyderabad and I clicked search. Same way, I went to my news pod and I typed Hyderabad and I clicked search. Okay, I got the result and I'm getting the whole news. Let's go to Hindu where it is still trying to search for my given particular result. So this is how things gets differentiated when I'm talking about huge amount of data when it comes to HANA.
Giving the new aspect to our application NewsPort, here we have News Portal for Android platform which gives the flexibility to search news on your Android mobile based on the voice input. Here we have our application News Portal final.
Jayalalitha.
So as you saw, based on the voice input, we could find that search term is Jayalalitha. Now the user goes and click the button search. So now you can see based on the input, it searches the news from HANA DB and displays the headline of the news containing search term. Based on all the headlines displayed on the final portal, the user can go and check the further details based on each headlines. So here we can see the details.
So what we have seen till now is the functionality of our application. So let's move on to the technical aspects of it, where we are getting the data from different RSS feeds, and then we are pushing the data into the JSON format through which we are pushing the data in our HANA database. Once we get the data in our HANA database, then you can see over here, we get the structure as well as unstructured data stored over here. So on top of this data, we do create different text analysis indices in order to optimize our search operations from the front end. So once the data is ready, we do create different HANA artifacts to improvise the query performance, like attribute views or calculation views. Then these views we are consuming in different search UIs, different widgets that we have created. That is one of the approach in which we are making use of information access services. Another approach is where we are making use of UIS, that is SAP HANA integration services, and we are making use of different widgets in order to do the analysis part. So yes, finally we got the answer to our question that why NewsPod? Yes, because we are getting everything under one roof, because it is mobile enabled. Now we are not always getting the real-time news in our HANA database and we are reflecting to our end user. We are not only handling structured but as well as unstructured data efficiently. Yes, we are not only taking care of the news, but yes, we are also allowing the people to take action based upon the analysis. Yes, we'll be taking care of the emotions that people must be talking on the news websites. And above all, we are having the voice enabled search for doing any kind of news searching activities. And why this all is possible? Yes, you're right, because we are using SAP HANA. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.